Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Ketut Sai Satya Pramana. You can call me Sai, and I am an English language education student at Ganesha University. In this video, I want to explain about the teaching strategies that the teachers can use to teach reading skills. Now, what is the purpose of reading skills? Reading skills can help students understand content in reading text to develop intellectual property and can be insight into understanding what has been read. Reading skills that are 3 skills that students must have. And the first skills, literal understanding, and the second, evaluative understandings, and the last, influential understandings. Strategy Jigsaw will be used in these reading skills. Strategy Jigsaw is one of the cooperative learning strategy. The purpose of this jigsaw is to develop teamwork and improve cooperative learning skills. As a teachers, we can use this strategy for high school, for grade 8 students. English material that can be taught strategy is 3 context, and theory is suitable and relevant. For this strategy, collaborative learning, because in this strategy, students will be divided into several groups. In this strategy, the teacher must prepare the context. Now, I tell you how to implement the strategy. First, students make small groups consisting of 4 people. And second, the teachers gives different texts to each groups. Number 3. In this expert group, students learn together to become experts in accordance with the text. And number 4. All members of the expert groups are given the task to understand and can convey information about the result of the task that have been understood to the cooperative groups. Core group. Number 5. When the assignment has been completed in the expert groups, each student returns to the original cooperative group. And number 6. Each student is given the opportunity to take turn to present the result of the assignment in the original group. And the last, number 8. When the groups has completed the task is entirety, each group submits the results and the teacher provides clarifications within 10 minutes. The strength of learning the Jigsaw strategy. Students are taught how to work together in groups. Weak students can be helped in solving problems, increase learning motivation, and can provide opportunities for students to work with other groups. And the limits of learning using the Jigsaw strategy. The condition the condition the conditions of a boy of a busy classroom, so that it makes students confused, and learning with the jigsaw strategy is a new learning. And if the teacher does not or improve, so that the students always use cooperative skills in their respective groups, they are worried they are worried that the groups will be stuck. So that's my explanations of the jigsaw strategy. I hope that you can implement the strategy appropriately given the strengths and the limitations of the strategy, and I hope that you can understand more about what jigsaw is all about. And thank you. Om Santi Santi Santi. Terima kasih.